Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. So here we are in Monopoly Go, and to see our invite bar is that we need to simply tap on the friends button on the bottom right of our screen. So tap on that, and then from here you can see all of your friends right here that you have, your timing, your timeline, your leaderboard, and so on. But what you need is to tap here on the invite button right here. So you want to tap this right there, and then you can see your progress right here with the invite bar. So as you can see right here, if you go for this right here, you would be able to get the 20 dice right here, and 60, and then 100, and then when you get into the present, then you would get, or the gift one, you would get 150 dice, and you would get the Mr. Monopoly right here. So as you can see right here at the bottom, it says that you can only invite 10 of your friends right here. So yeah, you might want to take note on that, and all you have to do is just basically fill that up. So if you can find, if you cannot invite your friends anymore, then one good tip that I can give you is to join Facebook groups of Monopoly Go. In that way, you would be inviting to people who are interested in Monopoly Go. So yeah, that is basically how you can fill your invite bar right here, so that you would get all the rewards and get the Mr. Monopoly Go token right here and get more dice so that you could roll more. So you can also tap here on this button right here, and then it would show you some invites right here on the ways that you can share this to people that doesn't have Monopoly Go yet, so that you won't be able to count this as friends right here, and then you won't be limited. So yeah, that is also one way to go around this, or you can just simply post this on Facebook if your account is connected to Facebook. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.